60 seconds with Femi correct pidgin Yannis. Now we they do. And this morning we want to talk about all the better things will happen this weekend for Bodoibo football. Plus small Yannis we concern Tiger Woods. Make we talk about the one will happen between Liverpool and Chelsea. Many Chelsea fans after that match done the vex. Say why they carry going come inside their club. Say you know they carry anything they add for inside the club at all. Say in the no. They for even keep that Morata way they there. For Liverpool fans they say oh, but after they win Chelsea 2-0 it don't sure say na them na you go carry league seven. Make we talk about another one wey involve Man United and West Ham. This one self don dey make many people dey ask. Man you win 2-1 oh, but people don dey ask say that thing wey say Mourinho talk say the players no quality. E be like say na true. These players they no quality. How they want take win Barcelona? But look sure e get answer for that particular one. Another one self wey shock us na the one wey PSG dey lose to Lille for inside their own league. We self we no dey understand wetin dey do PSG these days oh, because e get as the thing dey turn us for eye. Make we talk about Tiger Woods now. He win the Masters and we self they say twice.